Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Trade Exchange Market Wrap Up for the 15th of August 2016. We'll jump right into the numbers as we're taking a look at the action from today. A brief announcement for those of you who are listening and watching to this video. We do have a very special promotion for you. If you do mention this video in an email, DM, and Twitter, or phone, or use coupon code TV Video, you do get 50% off your first month's subscription. We'll show you those emails right now. If you go right down to the bottom of our webpage, you'll see the Trade Exchange at thetradeexchange.com, 203-939-1250. DM us in Twitter. Reach out to us. Let us know about the video. We'll provide that discount for you. So, folks, let's jump right into the numbers, folks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average higher by 1/3%. The S&P 500 higher by 0.28%. The Nasdaq higher by more than 0.5%. Certainly continued strength. We are in the quote-unquote summer doldrums, if you will, but yet we are seeing a strength continue in all three major market indices in the U.S. Right here on the right-hand side, you see the SPY. Obviously, the duration of the day in positive territory. Now, taking a look at FTSE is also higher as well by more than 1/3% at 69.41.19. The bigger story here, folks, is oil. It continues to be so. A lot of information coming from across the globe that's impacting price and volatility in West Texas Intermediate crude oil. It's settling at 45.74. That's higher by 2.81%. So we'll continue to provide our subscribers with information that's coming from various sources with respect to freeze, no freeze, potential conversation with OPEC, non-OPEC nations, and again, it continues to be the bigger story here, folks. Gold finishing at $1344.60, silver at $19.81.5. The 10-year yield as well, an important story at 1.553. Looks like it's between those 1.5% and 1.6% handle. So certainly continue to take a look at and its impact and relationship with the U.S. dollar. The DXY, the dollar index at 95.609. That's lower by 0.12%. So again, a lot of eyes on oil, the yield, and major currencies across the globe. So, folks, let's jump into tomorrow's economic activity. Consumer price index and housing starts at 8:30. Red Book at 8:55, industrial production 9:15, e-commerce retail sales at 10, and the API crude oil data after hours at 4:30. Always important to watch those numbers and its impact on oil. We are in earnings season, so certainly we have some highlighted pre-market, including AAP, HD, TJX, and VRS. After hours, we'll have CREE, FLXS, VNET, among others. Want to highlight some option activity, including FIT, including the earlier chatter in the morning, ON, and RSX. Wanted to highlight a particular company filing insider transaction in BW at 155, provided in the form for our subscribers, folks. BW Form 4, CEO purchasing 40,000 shares at $16.22. You see that right over here. An immediate reaction in the marketplace, including volume, price action, and you see here just about, let's call it right over here, $16.44, and you saw that coming up to $16.81. So rather interesting scalp opportunity there, and that's in BW. Again, folks, when you're seeing Form 4s provided in the Trade Exchange, what this means is that the CEO or the director or any C-suite level individuals go out into the open market and purchase these shares with their own funds, and that's it does have an impact on the security. The one other we'd like to show you is GOGO. At 12:20, we did have another Form 4 filing from a director, and a number of purchases, including 7,000 shares at $11.53, 1,500 shares at $11.51, and that we can see right over here. It did have an impact, even on low price stocks, high price stocks. It does have an impact. It has an impact on volume, has an impact on price action. So again, something to look at consistently when we provide this to our subscribers with respect to insider transactions and company filings. Just some highlighted syndicates, folks. MXIM and BIOC. We did want to highlight ZOZO level watch alert from this morning. We'll just bring up a couple of charts here. An LIVE pre-market, LIVE $2.23. You see that white line right here. Again, pre-market. You see the blue arrow. And you see a volume coming through, positive price action within minutes, folks. Really awesome look at that by ZOZO level watch alert, and really going to those highs of the morning on that volume and price action. So again, very important, even in pre-market, to take a look at the information that's coming through the forum and our contributors, including ZOZO level watch alert. We'll also highlight OCUL. And that was at 9:42 in the morning, and that's at 7. The alert was over $7.24. And again, this is we're looking at the more towards the right side of your screen. You did have volume coming in off the open. You see a continued price action in OCUL over that $7.24 level, and really going into that $7.72 level. So really nice action there right off the open in New York there. Again, that's OCUL over that $7.24. In merger and risk arbitrage, we did have some deal news in PPS and MAA, SQL, PWX, SAA, SCIA, JOY, and RRMS, and SEMG. Folks, if you're not getting these information in the morning, you should really do so. We'll show you how to do that in just a moment. On your emails, go ahead and click on for the most recent morning mashup. Click on for the most recent EGN early global news, and you will get that information. You'll see that on our website, and we'll show you how to do that if you do not receive those emails. It's a pretty straightforward process, folks. So right up at the top of your webpage at the TradeXchange.com, you're going to click on Mashup, click on New Tabs, and you'll see this here, and most recent mashup right here. This is today's. You'll also see EGN as well. If you do not get them via email, great way to do that is enter your name, your email, your phone, and we'll put you on the list and have that sent to you on a daily basis. Same thing with the morning mashup. Folks, if you're not a subscriber, great time to do it. Obviously, if you're listening to this video, refer to TV video coupon code, or give us a call or email us. We'd be glad to hear from you. It's 50% off first month's subscription. Folks, thanks for listening. This has been the Trade Exchange Market Wrap-Up for the 15th of August, 2016. Wishing you a very pleasant evening.